Welcome to your StudentVUE overview video. This video will demonstrate a few of the features of your online grade reporting system. You can get to StudentVUE by visiting the Rochester Community Schools homepage, click on the tab Parent View, then select the icon StudentVUE. You can also type in the web address rcsvue.rochester.k12.mi.us. And lastly, you can download the StudentVUE app from the App Store onto your phone. This video, however, will go over how to access StudentVUE from a computer. You will want to click I am a student, then log in with your district username and password. Do not add at rcs-k12.us to the end of your username. This is your Google account email and will not work. Your username is the information before the at rcs-k12.us. If you can't remember this information, please reach out to your information literacy specialist and they will be able to help you. Once you've logged in, you will notice a menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Messages is where you can find messages from your teachers and the district. These messages also get sent to your Google email address. Calendar will show you a calendar of all of your assignments. You can control your view by month, week, or day. You can use the assignment type to sort by assignment, test or quiz, participation, and homework. Select and unselect the boxes to sort by these different types of assignments. You can view missing assignments by using the assignment status filter. You can also view your calendar by one or more classes at a time. Use the classes filter to select the classes you want to view. Your class schedule tab shows you the courses you have for the year. Lena has 2 schools listed because she takes classes at the high school and the middle school. Click on the Gradebook to access current classes and grades, and in the right corner you can click on View Course Content to access assignment information. If you are a student taking some classes at the middle school and others at the high school, you will need to navigate between the 2 schools to see the course content view. Once you've selected the school you want to view, you can sort by the specific class assignments you would like to preview. Use the drop-down arrow to click on your different classes. Once you have your course selected, you can click on Assignment View to learn more about your assignments and grades. If you want to know more about a specific assignment, click on the specific assignment to see teacher notes or resources. Some teachers will attach the assignment in the gradebook. You can find resources and notes in this section. The resource section will vary by teacher and course. If you see a Google G next to an assignment, that lets you know it is located in your Google Classroom. You can then go into your Google Classroom and turn it in if it is missing. The final 3 tabs are School Information, Student Info, and Documents. Under School Information, you will find a link to your school's webpage, as well as a school staff contact list. You can use this list to reach out to teachers and support staff at your building. The Student Info tab contains your emergency contacts, your lunch balance, your district username and password. Note, if you change your district password, the new password will not show in StudentVUE. You can also find your Rochester Hills Public Library ID number. The last tab is Documents. This is where you will go to access your report cards. We hope you found this overview video helpful. If you have any trouble with your StudentVUE account, please reach out to your school information literacy specialist.